today I'm going to look at a trailer because the past like 5 events I've just rented a U-Haul trailer, and it's kind of getting annoying at this point, and it'd be nice just to have my own. So I'm going to look at a trailer today, but that's about it. Got this fat can air filter on the car now. Should get some more air suck. Probably isn't the best to be right next to the radiator, but whatever. And I put some floor lights in, for night events, night stages. Looks pretty sick. Put it in the back too. I also have some underglow I need to put on. Probably gonna put it on this weekend because next weekend I'm driving Friday night and Saturday. So I also picked up this bed cap for my truck. Got it for pretty cheap compared to what they are brand new. Pretty stoked about it. Doesn't really leak at all. I have like the right clamps coming in. But it'll be sick. Can sleep in here at the drift events, hopefully. Hopefully it doesn't smell too bad with mold. It does get like a little wet under here. But I'm sure it's just because of the old seal that's on it. It's made for my exact truck. Made for my exact truck. But it works. It fits really good. There's only a few scratches. But it looks sweet. Makes it look like not a Silverado. I also spun out, backed into some tires at the event. I like ripped the lip off, but you can't even really tell. I only like put a couple scratches in the lip, in the bumper. But other than that, the car's still in one piece. The kit's still in one piece. Alright, so I didn't film because it was like pouring the whole time I was there, but picked up this 2021 Sure Track car / racing trailer. It's an 18-foot. It's pretty sweet. You got 4 D-rings and all the stack pockets and a spare tire mount. Pretty excited about it. Way better than a U-Haul trailer. Felt like nothing was there. It's got this breakaway battery box. The breakaway right there. Yeah, it's pretty sweet. So, seeing that I have these cool interior lights, I gotta have the outside ones to match. So I got these ones right here. I'm just gonna double check that they work first, because the last ones I had, they didn't work when I went to wire them. So I don't want to like commit to doing it before I test them. So they're working. Already blue to match. Where do I have purple instead? Purple, blue. I got the wires ran through the trunk. So there's like this grommet thing in the spare wheel tunnel. Then I don't have a spare tire, whatever you call this thing. Spare tire compartment. Ran it through that grommet right there, but I don't have the grommet. So I'm just gonna figure something out for that. Then I'm coming out right there. And I'm gonna lay out which one's like the longest to the front, and then the wider ones to the side. Well, not wider, longer. So I'm kind of like a guy on TikTok. You know what I mean? You know that guy. Right, that one's on there. Just stuck it up right in there. We're at the rear of the car now. I don't know if I want to like stick it right on this, but if I take the bumper off, then that would be annoying. So I guess I'm gonna put it up here. Hopefully you'll still be able to see it when it's on. This thing's freaking wrong. Hey, move over. I need to get in here too. Screw it, it's going on the kit. Why is it not staying? Why you do me like that? I'm gonna have to put some new double-sided tape on this one. That works. Enough for me. I don't know how long this one will stay, because hopefully the bumper doesn't fall off again. Maybe I just don't crash into something and then it won't come off, you know? Alright, I'm all done with it. It's all mounted and glued up. Oh, where's my phone? I got it all glued up, looking good. I had to move like the side skirt ones because they were too far in, you couldn't see them. And then I took them off, and then the double-sided tape wouldn't fit, the double-sided tape wouldn't stick anymore. So I just got a hot glue gun, stuck it on there. This is what it looks like. Because it wasn't bright enough right there, and now it's super bright and looks sweet. Oh, you can't even really see, but it looks sick. Got the inside to match, you know.